Hello guys, so in today's video what we're gonna see is one of the biggest agates we have found. Normal size of agate is this, and this is big, so this doesn't even make sense. So today we're gonna clean a little bit the quartz that are on the center. We're gonna soak it in some iron out, and we're gonna cut it and see if we find something really special. It's already beautiful. You can see the window that it has a lot of banding. I'm sure when we cut it, it's gonna bring some colors. It always do. Sometimes it doesn't, but I'm super positive. Also, you can see all the mossy agate here, so we're probably gonna reveal something special. This guy is huge. You can see the size, and we're gonna soak it in here in the water, and we're gonna throw a little bit of iron out inside the geode, so the quartz crystals in there cleaned up and turns so shiny. And in 24 hours we're gonna cut it. This one is ready. Oh, haha, the size looks like it's a little bit more clean. I don't know if we need to soak it a little bit more, but the rusting came out. Look at the husk, it went a little bit greenish, but I think we can remove it with a the color it's crazy. We can see that it's a little bit more clean for sure, the top crystal. We're gonna place a nice cut here on a big saw and see how much agate we get and if there's color inside. I'm sure that if we hit it on top of this little flower, we're gonna have something amazing. So let's see. This one is massive. From the husk that it turned green, which is wild. I need to figure out why, but I probably will have to soak it again. But anyways, we're gonna cut it. It looks like a Brazilian amethyst from the husk, but no, this is a Mexican agate. And we're gonna place a good cut and see how it turns. The size of a basketball. This one we're gonna place the cut on top of here, see if we can intercept this little flower of quartz. And we're gonna put this on the inside because the heavy part should go on the inside so we don't break the piece by gravity. It's a really big piece. You see, okay, maybe here kind of needs to be a little bit. I think we're gonna intercept it there. This one is huge. I wish more of this size were coming out, but they're really rare. Big nodule, huge nodule. I hope we hit some surprises inside this one. What do you think?
I think it's a huge one. Haven't seen one like that.
Let me aim again. Put my finger here. Yeah, I think that's going through the... Okay, let's cut it on the 24-inch slab saw. The huge one is ready. Let's see.
The big reveal.
Whoa!
Whoa, it's like half and half.
We intercepted the little quartz, and you can see the eyes and the tubes. This one is fantastic. Look at the size. The mossy formations all over here. Looks flawless. Beautiful.
Best of both worlds.
What does it have here?
Yeah, I was about to ask.
Just a piece of something. Oh, this one is crazy. Let's see the other half. Wow.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Love the color.
Nice. Look at that. Look at the size of this piece.
Size is huge.
Wow. This one is killer. everything in there. The bottom part, the top banded agate, the little
Yeah, I
geode,
love it.
the eyes. This one is insane. It doesn't make sense to be this big. Wow, we hit a jackpot tonight.
Woohoo!